Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. So many great deals to talk about over at Target and Walmart this week. I'm going to walk you through the best deals that I found at each of the stores and tell you what I paid for each of the items. If you're new here, welcome. My goal is to research and find all of the best deals so you don't have to do that work and I can just share it with you and make it as simple as possible. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. So last week I just did Walmart. I didn't do Target and Walmart, and I noticed a lot fewer or a lot less people watch the video. So that was kind of a bummer for me. I do get sad when the video doesn't get as many views. And so I was wondering, was that just an off week or were less people watching because they really enjoy seeing Target deals? So would love to know the answer to that. I do actually have one more question for you. If you don't mind, drop an answer to me for me down in the comments. I'm curious what platforms you follow me on. So I have, of course, YouTube, Saving with Christina. I have Facebook, Saving with Christina. I have Instagram at Save with Christina, which is where the biggest following is. And then I have TikTok at Save with Christina as well. So I'm curious, do you follow me on one platform or are you following me on multiple platforms? That information would help me if you don't mind dropping an answer to that question for me. Thank you for watching and continuing to watch. I do appreciate that. So let's talk about Target deals first. And there are other things I'm going to be talking to you about as I go through. So one of my favorite ones, and I hope this is still on the app. I've already done it, so of course it disappeared for me. The Capellos, and I'm assuming I'm saying that right, they're $7.99. There was a free after rebate offer on Ibotta that gave you $8.99. So I got this not only for free, but I made $1 buying it. So double check your Ibotta app, see if you still have that freebie, and go snag yourself $1 moneymaker on the ravioli. Now, a number of the items I'm going to talk about have Ibotta rebates, so if you're not using the app yet, it is free. I do have a complete tutorial on it that you can find. I normally include all of the tutorials linked at the very end of my videos. But if you use the referral code, you're going to score an additional $10 when you get the app and you scan your first receipt. So great offer for new people. Another Ibotta offer that I picked up were these Activia yogurts. They're $4.99. There's a $3 Ibotta offer, making it just $1.99. So really good savings there. Now, Ibotta each year for the last couple of years have had like a free Thanksgiving dinner where you get a number of products free after rebate, and oftentimes we end up making a little bit of money, and it's an amazing deal. I know people who really count on those for being able to do extra stuff around the holidays, or they'll get it and donate it to someone who does need it, and I love that. This year it's a little bit different. You have to unlock the offer like you would a bonus. So I think mine, I have to do like 32 Ibotta offers in order to unlock that turkey. So I knew I wasn't going to get to the 32 offers this week, so I haven't looked into it too much, but let me know what you think about that. Last year it was you had to refer someone to the app. I don't think I liked that for most people because I feel like that's kind of like selling to your friends. I mean, the app is amazing. It sells itself, right? But I think I kind of like the unlocking with bonuses better than having to like pull in someone else. Let me know what y'all think. A couple other deals I did, the Febreze, and let me talk to you about this. This plug is $3.29. There is a $3.30 coupon as well as a $1 coupon. So I had both of them clipped and only the $1 one came off. What I've been told is that if you don't have the $1 one clipped, but you have the $3.30 one clipped, the $3.29, the value of the product is going to come off at checkout. I had both of them clipped, so only $1 came off. So I ended up paying for something that I get for free all of the time. I could return it. I'm going to be honest with you. I probably won't. I hate returning things. I'm really bad at returning things. The Mucinex. So this combines Ibotta and Shopkick. These sore throat lozenges, they're $4.99. There's a $1 digital in the Target app, so you'll pay $3.99 at checkout. You'll get back $1 on Ibotta. And then if you submit to the Shopkick app, you'll get $2.08 back, making your final cost just 91 cents. I've never tried these before. I know a lot of people love Mucinex brand, so if you're brand loyal, 91 cents, not a bad deal. Now, I'm not going to pick this up, but my son loves these, and they're so simple. So I did buy them again because it's essentially half off. These Kraft mac and cheese cups are $8.39. There was an offer on Shopkick for $4.06 back, making your final cost just $4.30. So I went ahead and picked up some more. With Shopkick, every 250 kicks is equal to $1, and this had 1,000 kicks back, plus a few more when you scan it. So that's how I got to the $4.06 back. Again, if you're brand new to Shopkick, completely free. I do have a tutorial on it. If you use my code SWC5, you'll score an additional $5 when you scan that first receipt. Now, I did not buy these again. I'm trying to be better about not buying things that we don't need. So obviously you can see we have a couple of left. But I had bought this probably 2 weeks ago now. So yes, I will throw these in the trash. They're $4.89. I think last week they were $4.79, but when I checked this week it said $4.89. Getting back $2.04 on Shopkick, so that made it $2.85 for this pack of King's Hawaiian, and my son really does enjoy the King's Hawaiian rolls. One time we were going on like an outing for the day. We were going to the lake and I had a bunch of people going. So I actually took all of these out of the package and kept them connected. I didn't disconnect them, and I just sliced it like one big sandwich and then put all the sandwich stuff on there. I think I did like turkey and cheese. Put the top back on, and then I cut it. And so all the sandwiches were done in like one shot. So I liked that. So give that a try if you haven't. All right, I think that was everything that I picked up at Target. Now, I'm going to be eating this later this week. What did I get? The 5 cheese. I'll probably throw some other just random regular pasta, non-ravioli pasta in there too, because my son loves pasta. I'm pretty sure he could eat an entire pound of pasta by himself. So I've been talking about my meals that I'm cooking each week. And I tell you, I try to balance food preferences and health and cost and what we've got going on. And I've been sharing those meals with you over on my website, savingwithchristina.com. And this week I wasn't going to do a post, and I mentioned this on Instagram yesterday, and I'll mention it here as well. With Halloween being on Monday, and my son was adorable. I'll put a picture up here and brag on him because he's so cute. I feel like it threw my week off, and we've got a lot of stuff going on with extracurriculars this week. And so I just needed quick dinners that didn't take a lot of effort. I haven't even been grocery shopping like for us. And I have a lot of stuff in the freezer that I need to start using before the holidays come around because our freezer is full. And so the meals are just kind of boring. And I thought, they don't want to see that. But then I got to thinking, maybe that's exactly what they want to see. Maybe there's someone else out there who really is kind of in that same position. Like, when do we do dinner, and how do I plan it, and how do I feed my family when I've got negative amount of time at the end of each day, it feels like. So I did go ahead and post it on my website this week. Yesterday I did shrimp, which was frozen shrimp. And then I did a zucchini corn parmesan salad. I had zucchini left over from last week, and I used frozen corn, and it was super simple to pull together. It had cilantro and lime in there. I also had cilantro left over from last week. So I just had all the ingredients in the fridge already. And we did some rice. And then I'm also going to do legendary burgers, which I got completely free. I picked those up at Sprouts, which is why you don't see it in this haul. But I can include the link to where you can snag them for free if you want. I think Whole Foods and Sprouts for sure carry it. So I'm going to do that one night. I'm going to do the ravioli and veggies one night. And then I'm going to do breakfast for dinner one night. Super simple. And I have those Kodiak waffles that I got from Target. a couple of weeks ago that I want to get out of the freezer. So I'll do waffles and eggs, something like that. Normally we prefer French toast, but I got to get stuff out of the freezer. And last week I was supposed to do the vegan sweet potato quesadillas, but I ended up getting that Alouette, I don't know if I'm saying that right, that cheese that was a Shopkick offer for like less than $1. And so I wanted to figure out a recipe that I could use that with. So instead of doing those quesadillas last week, I ended up making a white pizza. So I had a pizza crust. I put that cheese on there. Then I sliced up tomatoes we had in the fridge already and then topped it with like an Italian cheese blend. It was delicious and it was so simple. I think from start to finish, it was like 15 minutes to put together a dinner. And that was the night I was finishing up my son's Halloween costume because it was a lot of DIY in that one. So those are my meals for the week. Nothing impressive, nothing exciting, but that's just the energy that I have in me for this week to get meals done. I would love to know your like go-to, I have no time to plan dinner ideas. Let me know what those are too. All right, now let's talk about Walmart. All of these, that was all of Target. Now let's talk about the Walmart deals. I went ahead and picked up this skin tea again. It was a free after rebate a week ago, 2 weeks ago. They are $2.28. Now my Ibotta offer is for $1.50 back, so that makes my final cost 78 cents. But of course, with Ibotta, you're always working towards bonuses, so it ends up being cheaper than that. The Glade Warmer, $1.78 with $1.50 back on Ibotta, making it just 28 cents. This Febreze is a little bit easier because you pick it up, you pay that $3.24 at the register, but then on Ibotta you can get $3.30 back, making it free and a 6-cent moneymaker. These small travel size Old Spice body washes are attaching to that Ibotta offer. So these are $1.56 each. You pick up 2 at $3.12. There's an Ibotta offer for $3 back when you buy 2. So that makes it 12 cents for both or just 6 cents each. This one I'm excited about because it looks delicious. This is totally something that I would make. It is cauliflower rice and it says it has pineapple, peas, carrots, and then there's like a teriyaki seasoning in there. This is $2.68. There's an Ibotta offer for 75 cents back. There is a Shopkick offer for $1.64 back, making it just 29 cents. And I picked one of those up last week, so I can easily throw those together for a meal for this upcoming week. What else do I want to tell you about? This was an amazing deal. These Lay's stacks. So these are $1.48 each. You want to pick up 2 of them. Your total is $2.96. I got back $3.48 on Ibotta for buying 2 of them. But I also got back 75 cents on the Fetch Rewards app for buying them. So that made them completely free and $1.27 moneymaker. Now, I went back and forth on the Doritos, but I figured that's a product that a lot of people buy, and clearly no one in this house eats them. They are $3.98 each. There's an Ibotta offer for $3.98 back when you buy 2. So it's a 50% off offer. Not a bad deal on the Doritos brand chips. Now, the Quaker. So this is $1.24. There's 65 cents back on Ibotta. But what I want to mention to you, I signed up for the Pepsi Tasty Rewards, and they will mail you coupons each month, but you go in and you select the coupons that you want. And I had a 50-cent coupon for this. So again, last week I had a 50-cent bonus. This week, $1.24 minus the 50-cent coupon, 65 cents back on Ibotta. It makes it just 9 cents for this. The Febreze. So again, these are travel size. You want to buy 2. My store didn't have them, so I just pulled this out of my cabinet, but this deal is attaching. I double checked. These are $1.97 each. So when you buy 2, that's $3.94. But there's an Ibotta offer for $3.30 back, making your final cost 64 cents for both of them, or just 32 cents each. The Unisom, these are $10.98. That's what you would pay at the register. $4 back on the coupons.com app, and then $5 back on Ibotta, making your final cost $1.98. Now, I did hit my midweek moneymaker bonus, which was just 8 offers, but I only got $1 back. That was my Ibotta bonus. Now, Two more deals I want to tell you about. This is a swag box deal, and you can do it at any store. It was cheapest at Walmart. The Craft Deluxe, these are $3.43 each. That totals you $6.86 at the register. Then submit your receipt to Swagbucks. You'll get $3.50 back, making your final cost $3.36 for both, or $1.68 each. Now, when I do Swagbucks, I always do the items on a separate receipt. It just seems easier. I have less issues when I'm submitting my receipt. So I checked out these two on one receipt by themselves, submit to Swagbucks. Again, free app, cashback through their Magic Receipts program, full tutorial on that as well. You can find it at the end of this video. Now, y'all know I love these Origin waters. I keep drinking them. They're $5.28 for this pack. There's a shop kick offer still for $4 back, so that made my final cost $1.28. Those are the deals that I did this week at both Target and Walmart. If you have questions, let me know. As I'm saying that, I realized I forgot. Last week, y'all told me I pronounced this wrong. I appreciate that. Someone said it's pronounced Rayos. And then told me a little bit about backstory of the company, which I loved. I'm still finding soups on clearance. Last week, I found it at $1.75. This week, this is a different one. This is chicken noodle. Found it at $1.36. There is a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, so this was just 61 cents. And someone said, like, they keep it at their desk and it makes a really good soup. So I appreciate y'all's feedback when you share your experience, because if I like something or don't like something, that doesn't mean you will or won't. So I love it when people share their experience as well. All right, y'all have questions, let me know. Hope you are having a great week. Thanks.